Hello, welcome to CostingWizard, the application that will allow you to calculate project costs in a way that is simple, organized, and fast, all from your mobile phone. If you are contractors, renovators, plumbers, or service providers, you finally have a way to control the budget of every project and produce professional price quotes with the click of a button. In this video, I will show you how to create a new project and add an item to it. Okay, so let's start. After you log in and register to the application, you will get this screen, which is a screen that contains the list of all projects. At the bottom, there are two buttons to create a new project with AI or manually. I will click Add New Project. In the project description, I will write Bathroom Renovation, Herzl Street 10. The project ID is automatically entered, so you don't have to change it if you want to. The date is today's date, but you can also change the date yourself to a different date. We will click back to the project list to see that a project has just been created. You can see that an empty project was created in the first row with 0 items and its cost is $0. Every project is built from items. Now I will add a new item to demonstrate how to add an item. So we will click on the project in the first row and click Open Project, which is essentially editing the project. You can see that there are still no items for the project. At the bottom, there is a button that pops up. Add, select items. Click on that button. Now we need to create a chapter for the item, which is essentially a category for all the items. I will click Add New Chapter and call it Plumbing. Then click Save Chapter and return to quote. Now we can create the item by clicking Add Item in the Plumbing chapter. We will give a name to the item, for example, Toilet Installation. The unit type, let's call it Unit. Choose whether the item has resources. You can choose an item with resources or without resources. Without resources is an item that only has a price, and with resources is an item that is composed of several resources, one or more. Let's choose an item with resources. We will add a new resource by clicking Add Resource. Currently, we don't have any resources, so we will create a new resource. In the resource description, let's call it Toilet. In the unit itself, let's call it Unit. And the price of the toilet is $350. Click Save and return to Item Editing. In the multipliers, we will leave everything as 1 for now and click Save and return to Item Editing. You can see that the item itself contains the toilet. Now we will add another resource which we will call labor, meaning the cost of the labor to install the toilet. We will create a new resource and call it labor, also a unit, and the price of the labor is $250. Click Save and return to Item Editing. Click Save and return to Item Editing again, because all the multipliers are 1. You can see that the labor has also been added, and the total cost of the item is $600. Okay, we've finished adding the resources. Click Save and return to Costing. Now you can see that we created an item called Toilet Installation for $600 under the Plumbing chapter. Okay, now we have the item we created, Toilet Installation, for $600. And we need to enter a location. A location is essentially where we are installing the toilet. It can also remain empty, but in this example, we will write bedroom. Quantities for this item are multipliers that essentially, if you multiply all 4 multipliers, you will get the quantity. Since we are only installing one toilet, we will leave all multipliers as 1 and click Save. Now you can see that the project itself has a plumbing chapter, and inside it, there is a toilet item, and the location of the item is bedroom, and you can see how the cost is calculated. Click back to the project list to export the project. Click again on the project row, which is Bathroom Renovation and Herzl Street. Click View Report. Here you can see the project report before export. You can check that everything is in order and click on the Share button, and you can share the project as a PDF or Excel. So this is how you create a new project with an item and resources. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send an email. Thank you very much and good luck.